Hi, it's Mark Marmer from Signature Electric. So we're just out here at a new build in Kitchener. And, this is a bit of an interesting one. There's no underground parking here. Everything is above ground. When the developer put everything together, they poured bases for all the poles, and they matched these bases to be the same for the EV charging. They pulled enough circuits to each one for 4 chargers and asked us what we could do with this. We had these custom-made pedestals for them. The pedestals are all hot-dip galvanized. The retractors are hot-dip galvanized, and even the hardware that we're using to put them to the bases is hot-dip galvanized. So what we did was we sent somebody out to put all the anchors in ahead of time, so they were ready. We spent some time in the shop pre-drilling the holes, setting everything in place, and quite a bit of planning went into this. Everything got placed on skids. We had the crane come pick it up, deliver it out here, met our guy at the site, and each one was placed by the crane onto the base, and we'd already pre-leveled the bolts before. So it was a bit of an operation, but it worked out quite well in terms of timing. So now what we're doing is putting the chargers on, wiring them down. So it's a production. We're about halfway through. There's 8 of these. Because it's on the concrete base and it's at this height, it doesn't need extra protection. So not needing additional bollards, which means that the cars will have pretty much the full use of the space. So this was interesting planning, and I wanted you to sort of be able to come out here to see what we've done. If this is something that sounds like it might be interesting to you, you need something custom for a particular location, we do this really everywhere we go. We try to see what it is exactly that is needed and try to figure out a way to suit the customer's requirements. If you're interested, reach out to us. Probably the easiest thing is to head to the website, signatureelectric.ca,